Welcome to our English class. I am Farhana Begum, Assistant Teacher, Rangpur Jilla School, Rangpur. Our subject, English for today. Today's lesson, from this lesson, you will be able to learn, ask and answer questions, talk about people, read and understand text, write and answer to questions, write short paragraphs and composition. You see two pictures. There are two pictures. Who are the women? You guess. What do you know about them? The first picture or portrait is for Begum Rokeya. The second portrait is Helen Keller. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer, a social worker, feminist, and a social worker in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She is most famous for her efforts on behalf of gender equality and other social issues. She was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. She has written many famous books such as Motichur, Padurag, Avarodbashini, Pipasha, etc. Helen Adams Keller. From June 27, 1880 to June 1, 1968, was an American author, political activist, and lecturer. She was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. The story of Keller and her teacher Annie Sullivan was made famous by Keller's autobiography, The Story of My Life, and its adaptations for film and stage, The Miracle Worker. Her birthplace in West Tuscumbia, Alabama, is now a museum. Now complete the table with information from your textbook. The completed informations are: 1880, nationality American, family rich family, father landlord, married to an upper class man, physical condition healthy, education attended at Horace Mann School, Wright Humason School, Cambridge School, Radcliffe College, learn reading through Braille technique. Aim in life to establish women's rights in society. Now see the picture of another great woman. Florence Nightingale, 12 May 1820 to 13 August 1910, was an English social reformer and the founder of modern nursing. Nightingale came to prominence while serving as a manager and trainer of nurses during the Crimean War, in which she organized care for wounded soldiers. She gave nursing a favorable reputation and became an icon of Victorian culture, especially in the persona of the Lady with the Lamp, making rounds of wounded soldiers at night. More information: Florence Nightingale. She was born 12 May 1820, Florence, Grand Duchy of Tuscany. Died 13 August 1910, aged 90. Nationality British. Known for nursing. Awards: Royal Red Cross, Lady of Grace of the Order of St. John, Order of Merit. Scientific career. Fields: hospital, hygiene and sanitation, statistics. Institutions: Seleme Barracks, Presbytery, King's College, London. Florence Nightingale went to Turkey with a group of 38 nurses to work for the sick British soldiers during the Crimean War 1853 to 1856. She has returned to England and had given a title, The Lady with the Lamp, by the Times for her great role in nursing. There are two pictures. The first picture is ancient and the second picture is modern picture. Florence Nightingale set up Nightingale School for Nurses in 1960 in London. There is a homework for you. Question: what have you learned from the information and facts about Florence Nightingale? How can you apply this learning in your life? You can know that the three women helped the humanity and served for people. So we can serve for people, think for humanity, and be a side in the need of human being. Thank you, students.